Pick up the phone, stop pressing decline. Pick up the phone, stop pressing decline. Pick up the phone, stop pressing decline. Rewind, 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 rewind. Pick up the phone, stop wasting my time. Pick up the phone, stop wasting my time.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Wonderful, and I'm back with another video, man. But look, as y'all seen that title, I'm gonna go ahead and probably just be like, I'm gonna ask a question on Monkey, right? I'm gonna just be like, do I look like I'm loyal, or do I look like I'm a cheater? And see what they say. So hopefully they get it right with the loyal, cause I got one girl, so you know I'm loyal. But I'm light skinned. They be trying to be like, light skins cheaters. Nah, not me. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So I need y'all to go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, man. Join the game, and don't forget to get that bell up. Ring, ding, ding. But look, your boy gonna go ahead and get into the video, man. So let's do it. Yo, what's good? Where you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina? Oh, that's what's up. How old are you? Why you laughing?
Okay, what you say?
Nah, so how old are you?
18.
So I can ask you a question?
Okay, what?
Alright, look. It look like, do I look loyal or do I look like I cheat?
Both?
You said both. Damn. Why you say both?
Because you look good, so you have options.
Oh, true. Okay. Appreciate it.
On YouTube or something?
Nah, you want to be on YouTube? Say nah. You could be.
Bro, I'm on YouTube, bro.
Nah, if you don't want to be on YouTube, you don't got to.
Yeah, I want to be on YouTube.
You want
Hey,
to?
y'all.
Alright, my channel, Wonderful Game.
Huh?
Wonderful Game. That's the channel.
Yeah.
You gonna subscribe? I'm gonna post it so you might see yourself.
Okay, y'all go follow me on Instagram.
Alright. What's your Instagram?
Yana. IYONNA
Alright.
_ beauty.
Alright, bet. Alright, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
She ain't good. Hey, she lit for the YouTube.
Sorry.
Yo.
Dior.
They said Dior. Y'all trying to be on YouTube or no?
No. Yeah.
You said, alright, bet. You trying to answer my question then?
The classroom.
Yo.
In the classroom.
Yo.
Girl.
Here. You trying to be on YouTube or no?
What's happening? Yeah.
You said what?
I said yeah.
You said you trying to be on my YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, bet. You trying to answer this question then?
What's the question?
Alright. Do it look like I'm loyal or do it look like I cheat?
You look like you're loyal.
Why you say that?
Because you do.
Why you say that then? You don't got an explanation? Nah, you don't.
I really don't. Because, I just don't know you, but you just look loyal.
Alright, bet.
Hey.
You got a Instagram? You want a shout out? Or no?
Hey, period. Shout me out. You already know this.
What's your Instagram? Say it.
My Instagram is Clarissa_baby. 2 I's, 2 S's. You already know the vibe.
Alright, bet. Follow her.
Period.
Gang. Stop. Joshy. Yo. What's good? Y'all trying to be on my YouTube or no?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's going on with YouTube?
You said what? Oh no, I gotta ask y'all a question.
You look like Kelly. You look like Kelly.
At time?
Kelly. You know the basketball player Kelly?
Who?
You know the basketball player Kelly?
Kelly. Oh, you talking about Kelly Oubre?
Yeah, you look like him.
Oh yeah.
That's a compliment.
That's my brother. Say nah, but look, this the question. Do I look like I'm loyal or do it look like I cheat?
Let's see. I didn't see a little better. Look at you. Like, let me see.
Right,
Get
you
up.
can see me?
Get up. Look like you cheat.
She said like, yeah, she right though.
Are you loyal? That's the question.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm loyal.
You got nice teeth too.
Appreciate it.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Are you really loyal? Well, we have 15 seconds, so God bless
Yeah, I'm
you.
loyal.
We become famous on your
Yeah,
YouTube
that's what I'm
channel.
saying. It's called Wonderful Game. So
Yes.
shout yourself out if y'all want.
Now
Yeah.
you love _21. Thank you. He
At
didn't
time.
get that fast.
Dang, they gone.
Bro, your head like a toothpick. Oh, he's joking on that man. That man ain't seen that. What's up?
Right, I was about to get on his ass.
Man, don't let me try that can.
Coconut head ass boy. I slam your grandpa. Stinky bottom ass boy. What you talking? What is they talking about? Nigga trying to, on it, Johnny. Yo. Oh, she banged on the guy. But about the pain you found when you're back against the wall. Alright, one more for real this time. Do I look loyal or do it look like I cheat?
I mean, you like me.
My YouTube channel, Wonderful Game. Wonderful Game.
Wonderful day.
Game.
Oh, gay. Okay.
Yeah.
I bet. I got you.
Alright. Appreciate it. What did she tell me?
Kelvin.
What's up?
No.
Y'all trying to be on my YouTube channel?
Sure.
Alright.
Sure.
Alright, it's called, my YouTube is Wonderful Game. At time. Alright, so look, the question is, do it look like I'm loyal or do it look like I cheat?
Wait, what?
Do I look
You look
loyal
loyal.
or a cheater?
You look loyal, yeah.
Oh, thank y'all. Y'all want to shout out Instagram? Y'all got Instagram?
Sure.
Alright, go ahead.
It's Claudia Christina 50.
Okay, you. How about you?
It's Cami Magil.
Alright, but remember it's a Wonderful Game, so y'all might be on it. Wonderful Game.
Okay. What was your YouTube channel?
Wonderful Game.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome. No, si hemos salido en 2 videos de YouTube aquí.
She said, what you gonna do? I don't know what she said, but me and my honeys, they just be in here chilling with me. You know what I'm saying? They day ones. They been here since I had the Rona. And all that. But look, we going. Can I even touch him? They might get the Rona. I ain't gonna touch him. But look, lit. She be lit. She hungry. She like, where the food at, my guy? She looking for the food. That's all she want. They fat. They like, where the food at, man? Where the food at, my guy? We're hungry, dude. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Look, I'm in the house bored. What else could I do but make videos? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna run it up while I can. But look, that's the end of the video, and your boy out of here. So I need y'all to live wonderful, be wonderful, and stay wonderful. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man. I'm out here. Gang, gang.
Got a bust down, I'm in the end zone like a touchdown. She throwing pussy cause she know a nigga up now. What now? Yeah, they free my cousin uptown. I'm mixing lean with your daughter.